Welcome to the channel, where we explore strategies for financial security and growth. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more insights into navigating today's economy. In 2025, the global economy faces heightened uncertainty, making reliance on a single income stream increasingly risky for individuals seeking financial stability. Many are finding it harder to survive on just one income, with rising bills and shrinking purchasing power becoming the norm. Housing expenses have surged 20% since 2020, with median rent now at $1,964 monthly, according to apartment list data. Grocery prices also remain 25% higher than pre-pandemic levels, significantly impacting household budgets. A 2024 Lending Club report reveals that 62% of Americans now live paycheck to paycheck, a significant jump from 55% in 2022. This cycle traps many, making it difficult to save or invest for the future. Income stagnation is a key factor. Average hourly earnings grew only 4.1% annually, barely outpacing inflation. Real wages have actually declined by 2.7% since their 2021 peaks, meaning your money buys less than before. Job insecurity is also rampant, with the World Economic Forum predicting 85 million jobs displaced by automation by 2025. Sectors like manufacturing and retail are hit hardest, pushing more individuals into the gig economy. The gig economy now accounts for 36% of the U.S. workforce, highlighting a shift in employment landscapes. Economic events like the 2022 to 2023 inflation spike, fueled by supply chain issues and global conflicts, underscore our vulnerability. Unemployment spiked to 6.3% in 2020, and similar recessions could recur, emphasizing the need for financial resilience. This is why building multiple income streams is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for financial security. Diversifying your income protects you from economic shocks and provides a buffer against job loss or market downturns. Consider side hustles. 40% of Americans already earn extra income through platforms like Uber or Etsy. Passive income from investments, like the S&P 500's historical 10% annual return, can grow your wealth while you sleep. Developing digital skills opens doors to freelancing, a global market valued at $1.57 trillion in 2024. Experts like Ramit Sethi advocate for building 3 to 5 income sources to achieve true financial freedom. This approach reduces dependency on a single employer and mitigates risks associated with economic shifts. It also provides a safety net, especially with concerns about Social Security solvency projected for 2034. Think of it like Warren Buffett's advocacy for diversified portfolios, a strategy proven over decades. The rise of the creator economy, with 50 million people monetizing content globally, is another powerful example. By embracing multiple income streams, you can transform your financial outlook and build a more secure future. It's about taking control, adapting to change, and creating lasting financial resilience. Don't let economic uncertainty dictate your financial destiny. Start exploring your options today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. And for more in-depth personal finance content and strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're committed to helping you achieve your financial goals. See you in the next video.